Chindu and I just finished the build of this coop and garden combination. I want to give you a quick tour. We've got welded wire mesh all around. We've got even denser mesh on the bottom and it goes under the ground a foot. We've got the coop anchored to the ground with earth anchors, so this will stand up to high winds. There's windows on the low end. There's also ventilation on the upper side, so the hot air will rise and come on out. Over here we have a very unique chicken door. Its primary job, of course, is to keep out predators when the door is shut. It does this by sealing the coop entrance with an oversized panel. At the same time, it seals the table openings so nothing can enter the run from above. A simple lock holds everything in place. When the door is open, the chickens are free to roam their run, while the door still keeps predators from entering from above. And the run is mostly shaded under a table as well as all the grow beds. So you can see we've got grow beds here on 3 sides of the garden. And again, the chicken run goes underneath the entire way around. And we come back here to the door that allows us to come in. So a nice deadbolt to keep predators out.
Here we have the raised bed garden, and it's at the proper height for my father-in-law, so he can get to all of these plants. We have the nesting box at the same height as this countertop, so that you can place your gathering vessel and open this up. We have a quick access door that you can remove, or you can rest here. For easy access to cleaning the coop, we have this quick release. Our original design had this area as a 2-bin composting space, so you can pull the chicken waste directly into it. But my father-in-law has decided that he doesn't need this because he has a different location nearby. So he's just gonna leave it open and maybe put in a couple of chairs to relax in here, or maybe use it as storage.